One misstep, one overlooked corner. That's all it takes for a mistake to cost someone's trust. This isn't about doing more. It's about knowing the difference between cleaning and cleaning to professional standards. You can spend weeks on house cleaning tutorials. You'll pick up tips. What you won't get is a structured knowledge with assessment, something that proves what you know, not just what you've watched. Our house cleaning course from IOMH changes that, gives you room-by-room technique, the right products for the right surfaces, and hygiene standards that protect you, your client, and your reputation. That effort alone doesn't teach you. And when you're done, you'll walk away with a CPD-accredited certificate, QLS Level 4 endorsement, recognized by employers across the UK. Whether you're going employed, freelance, or building your own business, you walk into that decision with something credible behind you. Click the link in the description. One decision separates where you are from where you could be.